Hi, it's me, Pam Van E. Happy 4th of July, those in the U.S. And here is our Mary Engelbright calendar page. Independence is happiness. Susan B. Anthony. Isn't that adorable? So happy 4th. And to all those that served, my daughter was in the Navy for 4 years, and I have, my grandparents and great uncle who did die during the war. But so I want to just remember those that served our country today. And now I want to, because it's 4th of July, I did order this from a new friend, and Angela, and let's see, let's get her card here. Angela Schrad. And I'm sorry, my nails are still green from dyeing things. So Angela, and her channel is Meet the Schrads. So I'll put the link to her channel. Let's see what we got here. So she's got a lot of links. So, yeah, I ordered this, and it's a patriotic type box. So let's dig into it. Oh, look how pretty this is. Great beauty. Isn't that beautiful? I love that. Thank you, Angela. And then we have a beautiful card. Oh, I love how she did this, too. It's like scrapbook paper. Yeah, so check out her channel. Look at this really fun folded. I'll have to keep this to as a template. Thank you so much, my friend. I can't wait to see what you create. Happy crafting. Hugs, Angela. Oh, how exciting. It's always fun to meet a new friend, right? Love that. And then let's go into this. So like I said, check out her shop. She's got lots of things in there, and this was like a 4th of July type pack. And so I'll use it. I'm not sure exactly what. Probably not for this year, but look at this. I love how she has it all packaged too. I love pom-poms. You know, if you watch any of my flip-throughs of little golden books, I always like to put pom-poms on there. And look at all this cool fabric. Awesome. Love it. Look at all the little boats and the firework fabric. The little heart flags. Isn't that awesome? Little bits of Americana. Liberty. Perfect. I have a book share too. I'll have to show maybe on Thrifty Thursday. But I did get a book of the presidents of the U.S. So I might do some type of patriotic, and maybe when am I going to do this? But yeah, at some point, and then show my family that has served, military service, maybe type journal. Isn't that beautiful? Wow, this is so fun, Angela. And all this lace, vintage lace, packaged so beautifully. Oh, wow. I don't know. Did I know I was getting this? Look how pretty. Isn't that gorgeous? Looks like a little firework. Or awesome. So it was a really good deal. Isn't that cute? That. I like how she has this on this card. Some eyelet. And you have sparkly blue. You have washi tape. You have... sorry, you have to see my nails and hands, but I know you're not on my channel for my hands or my nails. I do not like my hands. And then this cool washi tape. I've never seen a washi tape like that. Awesome. And then more fibers. So well packaged. Very creative packaging. And this here, oh wow, it's like a, you know, placement. Oh, it's like a, what do you call this? Fabric cut railroad. That's really nice thick fabric for a journal cover. Pockets. Pretty. Let's just slip this out. Isn't this fun? And in this little sack, we have, oh, that's a cool little clip with, you know, red and blue and flags and charms. Perfect. Little flags. Great kit. And then beautiful Poppy. I know she has a new little trailer that she calls Poppy. And here's some poppies. They're beautiful. I love the red, white, and blue colors. She's got a little Liberty Bell here. Cute 2021 little magnet. U.S. Navy. Hey, awesome. My daughter was in the Navy. Courage and commitment. Yeah, so I'll have to add that. Perfect. To whenever I have time to do this journal. You know, I have to be in a certain mood, you know, to make a journal. Look how pretty these stickers are. Summertime. Fanfare. Close to my heart. We have all these cool papers. And this looks like some painty papers. Cool. Fun. This looks like vintage paper. Great. So you got enough to make a whole journal or two. And here's some more paper with firecrackers. 4th of July. You've got little strips, stickers, and these stickers. Oh, cute ladybug. Cute sticker, stickopotamus. And here's like from a stamp book. Little stamps and the covered wagon. Very fun kit. And there's more. Oh, we got a piano roll. I don't have any piano roll, I don't think. So that's cool. And then we have the Encyclopedia of American History. Awesome. This was a really great deal, Angela. Look at that. Awesome. The history. Cool. So I could even make the journal with this cover. Look at this. This was such a good deal. I can't believe it. This is like a really thick bingo card. I would probably cut that and maybe add that to maybe the cover or something, or scan it. Cool. And we have Campaign to Recapture America 86 calendar. Really cool. Kennedy. Oh wow, I got 1856 a kitchen and 1956 a grocery store. How awesome is that? And this is a really cool calendar. And there's more. American Sonatinas, I don't know. Wow, look at all this. And you got music paper, American song, sing-along piano books. With music pages. And then you got some images. Yeah, you've got enough to make. You could cut these out for ephemera. Lots to make a journal or two with. Cute. Those monkeys. I like those. That's cute. Bingo card. Oh wow, it just keeps going on, doesn't it? A first day of issue. Beautiful writing. 1969. Really nice shape envelope. Some vintage note paper. You've got more. First day issue. Look at the lighthouse. Maine. Look at that writing. Beautiful. Very nice condition. And there's even things in there. Like there's the stamp. And a vintage little index card. Tells about it. The stamp. Here's the actual stamp. So how cool is that? $1972, new issue, and there's the National Park Centennial stamp, and there is the stamp, so that's really cool. Look at this really aged envelope. Some vintage newspaper, Iowa. Very cool. Another little book page here. These are cool. I don't have anything quite like this with a, should get quite a bit too. Little pages, addresses, item number. Oh, it's a ledger, debit and credits. Lots of that. Oh, look how cute. Love the colors of this wagon. 1970, 4th of July, Farmer's Almanac. Awesome. Look how yellow that is. We have one of these color, Pantone color tint. With just different colors. That's interesting, huh? Your manners and mine. The way you do it. This is like a textured. Today it is the way you do it that counts. 1942. Ypsilanti, Michigan. Michigan State Normal College. Your manners and mine. Funny. Looks like we got some dyed cool paper. Nicely grunged up. I've been doing a lot of dyeing. That's really cool with the image there. I'm going to do mainly greens and blues for the under the sea journal I'm going to make. Mermaid type journal. Cool. Some coffee dyed. Got a cool map page. Another cool like postcard paper. We have a stamp book page. Constitution. And a little dyed, some more little dyed paper. That's a cool idea to dye it like that. Wow, that's old, really old writing, children's writing paper. Beautiful. 4th of July. Neat. Beautiful map page. Pretty colors. And a military Liberty bonds. This is very cool, like the old computer paper in blues. That could be added to the journal. And then here we have Patriotic paper. Isn't that pretty? With grid on the back. Got stars. We got the flag. That's beautiful paper. USA, land that I love. Independence Day. This is pretty. Isn't that paper beautiful? With the flags. 2 of those. This is cool. It's got like a little edge to it. Very pretty. So much in this kit, Angela. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. More paper. Beautiful flag. A vellum flag. I mean, is there anything not in here? That's the question. So I don't know if she has any more of these kits, but check out her shop. And that I will put in the link. Nice thick manila. Pretty little. Oh, that's pretty too. Oh, this is beautiful. Wow. Yes, when I'm ready to do my family patriotic journal, Americana journal, I will have just about everything you can possibly think of. Look at that. And I didn't really have a lot of, I don't know if I had hardly any, you know, this type of paper. I mean, so much. Wow. Very generous. Look at that vellum. This is cool. It's like little embroidered stars. Nice variety of thick and thin, and oh my word. Another nice thick white paper. And this paper. So, wow. So check out Angela Schrad's, or Schrad, I'm not sure how her last name is pronounced. But I will put the link, Meet the Schrads, or Schrads. I'll put it in the description. And check her out. Check out her channel. Very creative, fun channel. You won't be disappointed. And then check out her shop. She's a new friend, so let's show her some love. Thanks so much for watching. Happy Independence Day. See you next time. Bye-bye.